This footage captures a critical safety incident involving an excavator digging a foundation trench in close proximity to a residential wall. From a technical standpoint, the soil in this area appears unstable. Excavating deeply alongside an existing structure without proper shoring or reinforcement is a high-risk technical error. Because the structural support was compromised, the ground and the adjacent wall collapsed into the trench in a matter of seconds. A worker standing on the edge was pulled down by the sliding debris, prompting an immediate emergency response. To prevent such accidents, a thorough site assessment and geological survey are mandatory. Proper shoring systems, like trench shields or bracing, must be used to secure the ground. Furthermore, workers must maintain a safe perimeter away from exclusion zones. Safety leaves no room for negligence in construction. A sudden and severe mechanical failure occurred at a cable car station, serving as a stark reminder of the immense forces involved in industrial machinery. The incident was triggered by a catastrophic malfunction within the main flywheel and drive shaft assembly, causing the massive metal structure to dislodge and shatter the station's roof. This event underscores the absolute necessity of rigorous safety protocols, specifically regarding preventative maintenance, to avoid metal fatigue and the enforcement of strict safety perimeters. Bystanders showed incredible situational awareness by reacting to unusual vibrations and noises, escaping just moments before the collapse. Facility operators must prioritize automated kill switch systems and stringent technical inspections to ensure the safety of all visitors, as this footage serves as a global wake-up call for enhanced industrial management. This footage captures a serious industrial workplace accident, serving as a critical warning about the necessity of strict safety compliance when operating near high-capacity machinery. Within a manufacturing facility, a large-scale industrial exhaust system operating at high velocity generated an immense suction force that pulled a worker into the machine housing after they moved too close to the active intake vent. To prevent such incidents, all equipment with moving parts must be equipped with safety grates and physical barriers. Additionally, businesses must implement highly visible hazard signage, rigorous training on danger zones, and strict standard operating procedures regarding power lockouts. Finally, employees should always wear fitted clothing to avoid being caught in components, as a single moment of distraction can lead to life-altering consequences. This footage captures a heart-stopping moment that serves as a powerful reminder of how quickly circumstances can change. While standing calmly outside a building, a man narrowly avoids a serious incident when a large section of an upper wall suddenly collapses. Thanks to a split-second reaction and incredible timing, he manages to step back just as the heavy debris hits the ground exactly where he had been standing moments before. This incident is a sobering reminder of the importance of situational awareness, especially when near aging structures or active construction sites. Unexpected hazards can arise without warning. To stay safe, we should always be mindful of our surroundings, regularly inspect and maintain structures to prevent failures, and never take safety for granted. Staying vigilant is our best defense against unforeseen accidents in our daily lives. This footage captures a heart-stopping industrial accident that serves as a powerful reminder of how quickly circumstances can change in a workplace. While performing maintenance atop a large industrial container, a worker is suddenly engulfed in a massive fireball caused by an unexpected explosion. Thanks to a split-second reaction and incredible timing, the individual manages to leap from the structure just as the flames erupt, narrowly avoiding a catastrophic event. This incident is a sobering reminder of the importance of hot work safety and situational awareness, especially when working with flammable materials or high-pressure systems. Unexpected hazards can arise without warning. To stay safe, teams must conduct thorough risk assessments, prioritize safety protocols, and never take workplace security for granted. Staying vigilant is our best defense against unforeseen accidents. This footage captures a severe industrial accident during a heavy lifting operation. As a crane attempts to hoist a massive steel beam onto a flatbed truck, a catastrophic equipment failure occurs. Due to what appears to be a snapped cable or a fractured hoist hook, the multi-ton beam suddenly drops. A worker stationed on the back of the truck to guide the load was unable to move in time as the beam crushed the vehicle's frame. This incident serves as a stark reminder of why strict adherence to safety protocols is non-negotiable. During lifting operations, the area beneath a suspended load is a danger zone that must remain clear of all personnel. This serves as a vital warning for contractors to perform rigorous inspections of rigging gear and maintain a safe distance. A single moment of oversight or equipment neglect can lead to life-altering consequences for everyone. This video documents a high-risk industrial incident involving the relocation of a heavy truck using a specialized crane system. While the vehicle is suspended in mid-air, several workers are seen standing directly beneath and around the load to adjust the rigging cables. Due to a sudden mechanical failure or a snapped chain, the multi-ton truck abruptly enters a freefall, slamming into the ground with immense force and creating a massive cloud of debris. Those positioned in the immediate vicinity faced an incredibly dangerous situation as the heavy object collapsed into the active workspace. This incident serves as a clear illustration of the dangers of failing to follow basic safety protocols. The primary lesson is that personnel must never stand under a suspended load. Construction teams must establish restricted zones and maintain a safe distance at all times. Thoroughly inspecting rigging equipment is the key to preventing such hazardous accidents. Surveillance footage from China recently captured a serious accident involving heavy-duty vehicles that serves as a sobering reminder of workplace hazards. The video shows a large truck unexpectedly beginning to roll on its own. In a split-second attempt to stop the moving vehicle, a man rushed toward it. However, he misjudged the rapidly closing distance between the rolling truck and another stationary unit. He became trapped between the two heavy metal frames as they collided. This incident serves as a powerful reminder. Never attempt to use physical force to stop a moving vehicle, especially heavy machinery. In any emergency, the priority must be personal safety. Maintaining a safe distance from blind spots and avoiding narrow gaps between vehicles are essential life-saving principles. A serious incident occurred at a large industrial facility when a significant component of an overhead crane system experienced a sudden mechanical failure. The footage shows a massive metal structure becoming detached from its rails and falling freely to the ground, creating a loud impact and a cloud of debris. Fortunately, workers on site recognized the warning signs of equipment instability and managed to clear the area just moments before the impact occurred. This event serves as a crucial reminder of the importance of regular maintenance and rigorous safety inspections for heavy-duty machinery. To ensure a safe workplace, personnel must always wear proper protective gear, adhere to designated safety zones, and never stand directly beneath operational cranes or suspended loads. Staying alert and reacting quickly to equipment malfunctions are essential practices for protecting oneself from unexpected industrial hazards. This footage captures a startling moment at a construction site when a heavy concrete mixer truck was navigating through a facility. As the vehicle moved across the floor, the ground suddenly gave way due to unstable soil or an unmarked excavation pit beneath the surface. In a matter of seconds, the entire truck plunged into a deep cavity. Fortunately, the driver was able to exit the vehicle just in time and escaped unharmed. This incident serves as a critical safety reminder for the industry. It is vital to conduct thorough ground assessments to verify load-bearing capacity before allowing heavy machinery to enter. Additionally, high-risk areas must be clearly marked with signage and barriers, while trained spotters should always guide vehicles to ensure the safety of all personnel. This footage captures a high-risk incident at a riverside construction site where an excavator attempting to maneuver steel beams on muddy terrain suddenly lost balance. Due to ground instability, the heavy machinery tipped and plunged into the water, leading to a severe accident as a nearby worker could not escape the collapse in time. This serves as a vital reminder for strict safety protocols. Always perform a ground stability assessment before operating heavy equipment, especially near riverbanks. Workers must maintain a no-go zone outside the machine's swing radius to ensure reaction time. Operators must manage load limits carefully to avoid tipping on soft soil. Remember, safety is a choice. Never let haste compromise well-being. Stay vigilant and always speak up if you see a hazard. This footage documents a critical safety breach during a high-rise roofing project where a worker was observed sitting directly on a large metal panel while it was being hoisted mid-air. Due to uneven weight distribution and poor fastening, the panel slipped from the rigging and fell, causing significant property damage. Fortunately, the worker managed to cling to the structure, narrowly avoiding a fall. This incident serves as a stark reminder that safety protocols are non-negotiable. Never ride a live load, as crane equipment is designed strictly for cargo. Ensure all materials are secured with specialized rigging to prevent sliding. Always establish a controlled access zone beneath the crane path to protect personnel from falling debris. Proper fall protection and independent anchorage are essential for all high-altitude tasks. Never let haste compromise your well-being. This footage captures an extremely dangerous nighttime incident where a group in a car harassed and tailgated a man on a custom cargo tricycle. By shouting and pressuring the rider instead of keeping a safe distance, they caused him to lose focus. As the operator reacted to the harassment, he lost control, causing the vehicle to overturn. The following car could not stop in time, leading to an immediate multi-vehicle collision. This serves as a critical warning. Never distract other drivers, as it can lead to catastrophic accidents. Always maintain a safe following distance to ensure adequate reaction time. Respect all road users, especially those in lightweight vehicles, and maintain emotional control to avoid dangerous pranks. Drive with responsibility. One thoughtless moment can have severe consequences. This footage captures a hazardous incident at a service station during a routine fuel transfer. Due to a sudden pressure surge or technical failure in the discharge system, a tank hatch forcefully dislodges, causing a high-pressure release of liquid and debris. The event occurs so rapidly that personnel on site are unable to move to safety, highlighting the extreme physical risks associated with heavy machinery and pressurized equipment. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of strict safety protocols. Operators must prioritize comprehensive inspections of all valves and locking mechanisms, maintain strict safety perimeters away from high pressure points, and wear proper protective equipment while remaining fully vigilant. Safety must always come first, as even a brief lapse in caution can lead to unforeseen and severe consequences for everyone involved. This footage captures a high-risk incident during the unloading of heavy steel pipes from a flatbed truck, where an improper release of securing straps or a system failure causes the entire massive load to unexpectedly shift and collapse. The event occurs in an instant, creating a powerful impact and a cloud of debris that forces nearby workers to scramble for safety to avoid a direct physical strike from the falling cargo. This incident serves as a serious reminder to adhere to strict safety protocols by conducting comprehensive inspections of load stability and equipment integrity before beginning work. Operators must maintain a safe perimeter, staying clear of danger zones and potential fall paths while restraints are being removed. Unloading should always be a step-by-step, supervised process to ensure safety, as a single second of negligence can lead to irreversible consequences. This footage captures a critical industrial accident serving as a sobering reminder of safety protocols in heavy material handling zones. At an industrial facility, while a semi-truck was positioned for unloading, a massive steel coil weighing several tons unexpectedly lost stability and began rolling freely. Due to its immense mass, the coil gained significant momentum, accelerating toward an area where personnel were active. A worker was unable to move out of the path in time and was struck by the heavy load, resulting in a devastating outcome. To prevent such occurrences, cylindrical materials must always be secured using specialized cradles or chocks. Workers must maintain strict buffer zones, stay clear of blind spots, and remain alert to sudden hazards through constant situational awareness. Proper signage and site control are essential to ensure a safe work environment for all. This footage highlights a critical incident during material handling, serving as a vital lesson on the necessity of strict safety protocols in industrial environments. The video shows a team unloading large, heavy construction slabs from a truck where, due to a lack of specialized support frames or securing chains, the load became unstable. In seconds, the materials collapsed in a domino effect, trapping a worker who could not move away in time and requiring an immediate emergency rescue. To prevent such accidents, it is essential to secure flat, heavy materials with A-frames or heavy-duty straps. Workers must maintain safe positioning outside the danger zone and utilize a designated spotter for coordination. Finally, wearing proper personal protective equipment like hard hats and steel-toed boots remains a fundamental requirement to mitigate risks. This footage captures a critical industrial accident involving a worker and an automated assembly system. While the worker was positioned inside the machine's operational zone to adjust components, the robotic arm suddenly activated as part of its programmed cycle. The heavy machinery descended with significant force, pinning the worker against the workstation. This incident serves as a somber reminder to prioritize safety protocols over production speed. Workers must never enter the reach of a robot while the system is powered, and must strictly follow lockout, tagout procedures by disconnecting all energy sources before maintenance. Facilities should integrate presence sensing devices and physical barriers to prevent unauthorized access. Constant vigilance and strict adherence to safety engineering are the only ways to prevent such tragic equipment-related accidents in the future. The video captures a high-risk incident where a team of workers was moving bulk bags using an overhead hoist system. While the load was suspended, a worker entered the dangerous line of fire directly beneath the bag to make adjustments. Unexpectedly, the lifting strap failed, causing the heavy load to drop instantly and pin the worker, resulting in severe injuries. This incident serves as a critical reminder to maintain a safe perimeter and never stand under a suspended load. Pre-operation inspections are vital to identify worn rigging hardware like slings and hooks. While PPE is essential, situational awareness remains the primary defense. Proper coordination with a designated signal person is required to ensure the danger zone stays clear of personnel at all times. Adhering to these strict industrial safety protocols is the only way to prevent such tragic workplace accidents. This footage captures a serious industrial accident in a manufacturing facility. While performing his duties, a worker unfortunately attempted to step onto an active conveyor system. Due to the moving parts and slippery surface, he lost his footing and fell from the equipment onto the concrete floor, resulting in an immediate injury. His co-workers quickly rushed to his side to provide emergency assistance. This incident serves as a vital reminder to never step on active machinery, as conveyor belts are high-risk zones that should never be used as walkways. Taking shortcuts can lead to life-altering injuries, so it is crucial to stay alert and follow all safety protocols. Both employers and employees must strictly adhere to regulations to ensure hazardous areas are marked and guarded. The footage captures a critical industrial accident involving a high-speed industrial winding machine. While the equipment was in full operation, a worker attempted to manage materials by stepping directly onto the machine's frame. Due to a momentary lapse in safety protocol, the individual was pulled into the rotating rollers along with the bulk material. The intense friction generated by the high-speed mechanism immediately ignited a fire, causing flames to engulf the primary workspace. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the vital importance of strict adherence to machinery safety boundaries. To prevent such accidents, it is essential to never bypass safety guards, ensure automatic emergency stop sensors are installed, and wear snug-fitting PPE to avoid entanglement. Regular safety drills are crucial, so every team member knows how to react during a mechanical emergency. The footage illustrates a severe industrial accident within an automotive repair shop, where a staff member was guiding a pickup truck into a service area. Unexpectedly, the vehicle surged forward, pinning the employee against a structural wall. Nearby colleagues rushed to provide assistance as the incident highlighted the risks of working near operating motor vehicles. This event serves as a critical reminder of safety protocols in industrial facilities. To maintain a safe environment, personnel must never stand directly in front of a moving vehicle or in pinch points between a car and a fixed object. It is essential to maintain clear escape routes and ensure drivers perform maneuvers slowly with extreme caution to prevent such hazards. The footage from this stone facility captures a critical safety incident involving the handling of high-density marble slabs. While the slabs were positioned vertically, a sudden loss of stability caused a multi-ton domino effect. Due to the confined workspace, those nearby were unable to reach a safe zone in time. This highlights the extreme risks of handling heavy loads without standardized securing equipment. To prevent such events, workers must avoid crush zones and never stand in narrow gaps between unstable materials. It is essential to use specialized A-frame racks and mechanical supports rather than relying on manual balance. Furthermore, maintaining a clear exit path and conducting regular safety audits are vital. Workplace safety is a fundamental principle that protects everyone. This warehouse footage captures a hazardous incident where a forklift operator attempting to retrieve a large load from a high rack experiences an unexpected shift in the cargo's center of gravity. This caused the pallet to lose balance and fall into the aisle, forcing nearby staff members to quickly retreat to avoid being struck. This event serves as an essential reminder of the protocols required in logistics environments. To ensure safety, facilities must establish exclusion zones, ensuring personnel never stand within the potential fall path of an active forklift. Additionally, all cargo must be balanced and securely wrapped to prevent shifts during lifting. Using physical barriers like cones or safety tape helps prevent pedestrians from entering high-risk areas while operators maintain situational awareness. Ultimately, following these procedures protects both inventory and the well-being of every team member. This industrial safety footage illustrates the high-risk situations that can occur in manufacturing and warehouse facilities when protocols are ignored. In heavy logistics, operating machinery to move large items can lead to a sudden shift in the center of gravity, causing massive loads to fall into pedestrian paths. Specifically in stone processing, a lack of secure support for vertically stored slabs can result in a dangerous domino effect. These incidents happen in the blink of an eye, highlighting the critical need for technical barriers and vigilance. To prevent such events, high-density materials must be secured with specialized A-frame racks or safety straps. Personnel should maintain exclusion zones, staying clear of active machinery and potential fall paths. Workplace safety is a shared responsibility. Following these technical protocols protects your health and your future. This industrial safety report documents a critical incident where a worker bypassed essential protocols to clear a mechanical jam on an active conveyor system. Instead of using specialized tools or following proper shutdown procedures, the individual used their foot to dislodge items, resulting in a dangerous entrapment within the moving machinery. This serves as a vital reminder to never use body parts to clear obstructions while equipment is powered on. Personnel must strictly adhere to lockout-tagout (LOTO) protocols, ensuring the machine is de-energized and locked before any intervention. Prioritizing safety over production speed is essential to prevent life-altering accidents. Always remember to stop, lock, and report any malfunctions to ensure everyone returns home safely. This video captures a critical structural failure within a food storage warehouse where heavy bags are stacked into high vertical walls. Due to improper stacking techniques and a lack of necessary reinforcement, a large section of the wall suddenly gives way, collapsing directly onto the workspace where employees are active. The speed of the collapse leaves the workers with no time to react as they are overtaken by the falling weight of the bags. This incident serves as a vital reminder of the necessity for occupational health and safety (OHS) standards in industrial environments. To prevent such accidents, it is essential to follow strict storage protocols, including maintaining height limitations, using interlocking patterns to ensure lateral stability, and conducting regular inspections. Proper material handling is about ensuring a safe environment for every member of the team. This security footage captures a devastating industrial accident at a manufacturing facility. While a heavy-duty industrial crusher was in full operation, a worker inadvertently approached the high-speed rotating shafts. Due to a momentary lapse in situational awareness and failure to maintain a safe perimeter, the worker's clothing became entangled in the drive system, pulling the individual into the machinery. To prevent such tragedies, facilities must enforce strict no-go zones and ensure all personnel wear form-fitting PPE, as loose garments are extreme hazards. It is critical to install accessible emergency stop buttons and automatic sensors to cut power instantly. Rigorous safety training, active supervision, and the installation of physical machine guards are essential to protect lives and ensure a secure working environment for everyone on the production floor. This footage captures a serious workplace accident during a routine loading dock operation where a warehouse worker attempts to adjust a pallet directly behind a forklift, reversing out of a trailer. Due to a lack of visibility and poor coordination, the operator backs into the worker, pinning them between the machinery and the cargo. This high-impact collision serves as a stark reminder of how quickly a lack of situational awareness can lead to a dangerous situation. To prevent such incidents, workers must maintain a safe buffer zone and never stand in a blind spot. Active communication through hand signals is essential, as you should never assume an operator sees you. Ultimately, strict adherence to safety protocols and constant vigilance are vital to prevent life-altering accidents. This footage captures a remarkable act of bravery and presence of mind when a pedestrian is suddenly incapacitated by hanging electrical cables while walking down the street. As the individual collapses due to the electrical contact, a quick-thinking bystander in white immediately intervenes. Avoiding direct physical contact to prevent becoming a second victim, the rescuer uses a long, non-conductive pole to safely push the wires away and drag the individual to safety. This expert response to a life-threatening emergency highlights the importance of electrical safety awareness. To stay safe, never touch an individual in contact with a power source with your bare hands. Instead, use insulated materials like wood or plastic to break the connection. Always remain vigilant of your surroundings, especially near low-hanging or damaged wires. Ultimately, staying calm and applying proper safety knowledge can make the difference in a critical moment,